Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this fun, flirty, cute summer look, and if you want to learn how to create this, then keep on watching. So I already did the base makeup just so that I could get that out of the way and focus on showing you the eyeshadow, and today I'm only going to be using two shades. Now you can use whatever color you want to, but you ideally want to have one that is light and one is dark. Now you don't have to go like extreme dark, but you need a shade difference between the two of them. So the two that I'm going for is this one right here on the end and this one right here in the middle. I'm gonna be needing a mirror, but you're not gonna see that. So first I'm just gonna take a brush like this one, but I'm taking the lightest color and I am putting it on all of my lids, basically, yes, all over my lids. I only want the slightest bit of pink over it, but I'm gonna do a few more layers just so that I have a little bit stronger pigment than this, but already you can see the difference between the two eyes. Now I don't know if you can tell the difference if it's stronger pigment or not, but in real life it is. And then you're just gonna take a brush like this one. You're just gonna use the darker shade, and it doesn't matter which shade you choose, but it should be the darker one, and you want it in the corner of your eye. Don't go too like low or too much out, because we want this to be just like a little faded, but not too much. We want to define our creases and our corners a little bit, or at least our outer corners. So basically what you're creating in the corner is like a half moon. You want it rounded, you don't want anything sharp. So it's like a half moon, but it's not equal top. It's not equal top and bottom. And so, because I bring it more forward in the top than I do at the bottom, because here I'm just bringing it into my lash line and just blending it in like a little bit, not too much. And then, but over or above in the crease, I just bring it a little bit more to the center of my eye, as I think you can see. That's where I want to bring it. You don't want to go too much past that. A little bit is fine, like a little bit past your pupil is fine, but not your iris. That's what it's called, your eye iris. You don't want to go past that when you look straight ahead. Now what you want to do is take a flat brush and you just take the same dark shade. You go on your lower lashes, you just extend a little bit so that it flows into the lower lash and it flows into the upper lash. A little bit in, not too much. Don't go too much down because you want it to be cute and not messy. And then you change to the lighter color and you do the inner corner. And now you blend. So I'm just going to take a blending brush. I'm taking one like that. It's just a normal blending brush. This one is by Essence, nothing fancy. And you're just blending the color in the outer corner because you want to fade them into each other. You want there to be like a visual difference between the two shades, but you don't want it to be a harsh line. So now I just need to do the same on the other eye. Now that we have our eyeshadow on, the next thing for us to do is put on mascara, but before we do that, remember to curl your lashes. I'm just going to be using Maybelline the Colossal Mascara in the shade Black. I'm just going to put that on my upper and lower lashes. So I have a little trick if you do happen to have a little bit of mascara that comes on your eyelids, and it happens to me all the time. I just use the eyeshadow that I already have put on. If I have no eyeshadow, I will use setting powder, but I use eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna take it on a flat brush and I'm just gonna literally wipe over the area the mascara got on. Usually that happens close to my lash line. I don't want a thicker line there because I want it to be like soft and natural, but a little cute and flirty. And then I just make sure nothing drizzled down underneath my eyes or onto my nose. I know that can happen when you're dealing with eyeshadow. I almost forgot one thing, and that is putting a little bit of sparkle in your inner corner. I need a mirror so I don't poke myself. I'm using this shade right here. It's a really light silver color, and I feel like that makes my eyes pop the most, so just pop that in the inner corner of your eye. Now that is all for today, and if you liked the video then please leave a like and a comment, and if you want more content like this then please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!